Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today I have two DIYs and I'm going to be recreating two of these decor pieces from Pottery Barn using items from Dollar Tree and Walmart. So if you guys are interested in seeing how I did this, just keep watching. Now first, for the pumpkin patch sign, you are going to need a pumpkin sign from Dollar Tree like this one. You will also need some metallic spray paint, one of these signs from Dollar Tree as well, some white spray paint, some burlap ribbon, and some floral wire. Now this isn't exactly floral wire because my Dollar Tree ran out, but they do carry that at Dollar Tree. You will also need a variety of paints. I picked up black, brown, white, silver, and gray. These wedge sponges so that you can distress your sign. So first you're going to clip off that twine piece of string, and then you're going to take that metal leaf on the side of your pumpkin and you're going to pull it back so that it is sitting on the back side of your sign, just like that. Next, you're going to take your metallic paint and your metallic spray paint and begin spraying your sign. Now you're going to take that little sign and you're going to spray that with your white spray paint. I needed to do 3 coats on that one though. Now begin distressing your sign. I liked using the brown around the edges. I felt like that made it look the most realistic. But I did a mixture of all of them on the entire piece. And I just sponged it on using one of those wedge sponges. Okay, now I'm taking that ribbon and I just made a little bow. And then take that floral wire and distress it a little bit so that it matches your sign. I just added some browns and grays to it. Make sure that you let this dry because this does take a little bit longer to dry than the sign. Then you're going to take a pencil. I like using pencil first to sketch it, and then I go over the words with a Sharpie. And I did this on that gather sign that we had earlier after it dried. So now you're just going to go ahead and glue that sign on top of your faux metal pumpkin sign. And now we are done. So there you have it, guys. Okay guys, so let's get started on project number 2. So first you're going to need one of these plastic pumpkin baskets. You will also need some metallic spray paint. Make sure that it is a bonds to plastic one because that will be important in this project. You will also need a variety of these colors of paint as well, blacks, browns, grays, and whites. Your wedge applicators, and a box cutter. So first you're going to go ahead and snip off that handle. Okay, once you're done with that, you're going to get your box cutter and you are going to start carefully cutting out all of the eyes, nose, and mouth pieces. This was a little bit hard. I did have to end up getting my scissors and it actually cut right through after I got like that first initial cut with the box cutter. Then you are going to begin spray painting with your metal spray paint. Make sure that you get the insides as well because you want it to look all in unison. Once it's dried, you're going to begin making it look more distressed and kind of galvanized by going on with your sponge and just lightly tapping it all around. You're going to use multiple colors. I used this gray, I used brown, I used black, I used all kinds of colors, and I had to go over and over again to give it that final distressed, rusted look. And make sure that you really get into those cracks and like the edges where the eyes and the mouth and the nose are, because that really gives it that like rusted old appearance. One last thing I forgot to mention, guys, you will need a fake candle. I picked up mine at Dollar Tree because you do not want to put a real candle in this because of all the spray paint. Okay guys, well I hope you enjoyed this video. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you guys next time.